Nkoza and Nankya.
Hi friends, my name is Nankya. Guess what? My brother and I are going on a big adventure. All the way to Uganda. That's where my family is from. My mommy and daddy tell us so many stories about it. About the animals, the music, and the yummy food. So I decided to make a video diary. I'm going to draw pictures, try cool clothes, and show you all the fun things my brother and I discover. We might see monkeys, big trees, maybe even gorillas. And I'll tell you everything in my diary. So who's with us? Okay? Let's go explore Uganda together.